Grow potatoes like a pro, the ultimate guide. Tired of tiny potatoes? Want a bumper crop this year? Then get ready to dig into the ultimate guide to growing high-yield potatoes with ease. Selecting the right potato variety is crucial for success. Different varieties thrive in different climates and have varying maturity times. Consider your local climate and growing season length. Early season varieties like Yukon Gold mature quickly. Late season varieties like Russet Burbank need more time. Think about your culinary preferences too. Do you want waxy potatoes for salads or starchy potatoes for baking? Match the variety to your needs. Potatoes need well-drained, loose soil to thrive. Proper soil preparation is key to a healthy and abundant harvest. Amend your soil with plenty of organic matter like compost or aged manure. This improves drainage and provides essential nutrients. Ensure the soil is slightly acidic, with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Test your soil and amend accordingly with lime or sulfur. Using certified seed potatoes is highly recommended. These are disease-free and specifically grown for planting. Avoid using potatoes from the grocery store as they may be treated to prevent sprouting. This can hinder their growth. A week or two before planting, chit your seed potatoes. Place them in a cool, bright location to encourage sprout development. Timing is crucial when planting potatoes. Wait until the soil has warmed to at least 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius. Dig trenches that are about 6 to 8 inches deep and 3 feet apart. Place the seed potatoes with the sprouts facing upwards. Cover the seed potatoes with soil and water thoroughly. As the plants grow, hill the soil around the stems to encourage more potato production. Potatoes need consistent moisture, especially during tuber formation. Water deeply and regularly, but avoid overwatering. Fertilize your potato plants with a balanced fertilizer. Look for one with a higher potassium content to promote tuber development. Side dress your plants with fertilizer a few weeks after they emerge. Repeat this process every few weeks throughout the growing season. Potatoes are susceptible to various pests and diseases. Monitor your plants regularly and take action promptly. Common pests include potato beetles, aphids, and flea beetles. Use organic pest control methods like insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prevent fungal diseases like early blight and late blight by ensuring good air circulation and avoiding overhead watering. Knowing when to harvest your potatoes is essential. The timing depends on the variety and your intended use. Early season potatoes can be harvested when the plants begin to flower. These are best eaten fresh and don't store well. Late season potatoes should be harvested after the foliage has died back. Allow the potatoes to cure in a cool, dry place for a few weeks before storing. Proper storage is crucial for preserving your potato harvest. Store them in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place. Ideal storage temperatures are between 40 to 50 Fahrenheit, 4 to 10 degrees Celsius. Avoid storing potatoes near apples or onions as they can cause them to sprout prematurely. Check your stored potatoes regularly and remove any that show signs of rot or spoilage. This will prevent the spread of disease. Don't have a garden? No problem. You can easily grow potatoes in containers. Choose a large container with drainage holes. Fill it with a well-draining potting mix. Plant your seed potatoes as you would in the ground. Water regularly and fertilize as needed. Encountering problems while growing potatoes is normal. Learn how to troubleshoot common issues. Poor yields can be caused by inadequate sunlight, poor soil, or improper watering. Adjust your growing practices accordingly. Green potatoes contain solanine, a toxic compound. Avoid eating green potatoes and discard any that have turned green. Ready to grow the best potatoes of your life? Start planting your potato patch today. With these tips, you'll be harvesting a bumper crop in no time. Don't wait, take action now. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Leave a comment below sharing your potato growing experiences. Visit our website for a detailed planting guide and exclusive discounts on seed potatoes. Let's grow together.